In the last video, we talked about Coolify and how it makes managing a VPS significantly easier. Before we get into setting up Coolify, I want to make sure you understand the tools we will be deploying. In this video, we are going to talk about Directus, what it is, what it does, and why I chose it as the backbone of my backend stack. So, what is Directus? Directus is a free open source headless CMS and data platform. Now, before I go any further, let me explain what headless CMS means, because it's one of those terms that gets thrown around a lot without a clear explanation. A traditional CMS like WordPress, and WordPress has been the go-to for a very long time, and it still is a very popular CMS. It couples the content management system with the front end. The way your content is stored and the way it is displayed are tightly linked. You are locked into how WordPress presents your content. A headless CMS, on the other hand, separates the two. Directus manages and stores your data and exposes it through a REST API or GraphQL endpoint. Your front end, whether it is a React app or mobile app or anything else, consumes that API and decides how to display the content. So the thing is, the CMS itself has no head, meaning no fixed front end, hence the name headless. So, having explained that, what makes Directus different? There are many headless CMS options available. We have Contentful, Strapi, Sanity, Payload, and more. So why Directus? I like the fact that it works with your existing database. Most headless CMS platforms use their own proprietary data storage. Directus sits on top of a standard relational database. PostgreSQL, MySQL, SQLite, and more. Your data is stored in plain data tables that you own and can access directly. You are never locked into a proprietary format. It also auto-generates the API. When you create a collection in Directus, think of a collection like a database table. It automatically generates a full REST API and GraphQL endpoint for that collection. No code required. You get full CRUD operations out of the box: create, read, update, and delete. It also comes with a beautiful, fully featured admin dashboard out of the box. Your clients or content creators can manage content without ever touching code. You can customize the dashboard with custom fields, relationships, file uploads, translations, and more. You also get out of the box role-based access control. Directus has a very granular permissions system. You can control exactly who can read, create, update, or delete data at the collection level, the field level, and even the row level. This makes it suitable for multi-tenant applications and complex permission requirements. File management. Directus includes a full file and asset management system. You can upload images, videos, documents, and more. It supports on-the-fly image transformations, resize, crop, format conversion, all through URL parameters. It also has built-in automation known as flows. You can build workflows triggered by events like sending an email when a new order is created, or updating a related record when a status changes, all without writing code. And best of all, it's open source and self-hostable. You can self-host it on your own server, which means your data stays on your infrastructure. There's also a cloud-hosted option if you prefer a managed solution. Why I chose Directus? I chose Directus for several reasons. First, it works with PostgreSQL out of the box. I wanted a standard relational database that I own and control, not a proprietary data store. Second, the auto-generated API saves me an enormous amount of time. Instead of building CRUD endpoints for every collection, Directus handles that automatically. I focus on building features, not boilerplate API code. Third, the admin dashboard is genuinely excellent. My clients can manage their own content without any technical knowledge. I do not have to build a custom admin interface for every project. Fourth, it's self-hostable. My data stays on my server. I control the infrastructure, the costs, and the data. So to be fair, we must look at the limitations. So what are the limitations? It's not a traditional backend framework. If you need complex business logic, custom authentication flows, or highly customized API behavior, you may need to supplement Directus with custom code or choose a different solution. Directus is free and open source for projects generating up to 5 million USD in annual revenue. Beyond that threshold, a commercial license is required. But for the vast majority of startups, small teams, and indie developers, this limit will never be reached, making it effectively free for most use cases. It also can be an overkill for simple projects. If you just need a simple blog or a few static pages, Directus may be more than you need. So in summary, Directus is powerful, flexible, open source, headless CMS that sits on top of your own database and gives you a full API and admin dashboard out of the box. For developers building modern web applications who want to own their data and move fast without writing boilerplate code, it is one of the best tools available. In an upcoming video, we will deploy Directus on our VPS using Coolify and connect it to our TAN stack frontend. So see you in the next video.